In today's video, I will walk you through how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. First, go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. If required, complete the verification code as well to continue into your account. Once you are inside your account, move your cursor over to Account Settings at the top right section of the screen and click to continue. After opening the settings page, look for the Payment section. Once the page opens, scroll all the way down to the lower section. Under Automatic Payments, click on Manage Automatic Payments to continue. After that, you will be taken to a page where all of your automatic payments are listed. On the left side of the screen, you will see your active automatic payments and connected services. Find the service or subscription you want to remove and click on it to open the payment details. Once the Details page opens, look for the Status section. In that section, click on Cancel. After clicking Cancel, another confirmation option will appear on the screen. Click on Cancel Automatic Payments to confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, the automatic payment will be canceled successfully. After canceling the payment, the status will now show as inactive instead of active. If you want to cancel more automatic payments, click on Show Active to return to the list of active services. From there, repeat the same process for any additional services you want to remove from automatic billing. And that's it. That is how you cancel automatic payments on PayPal quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please like the video and subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.